It's coming into summertime and I'm seeing bees and bumblebees in the garden. This song is just for them. So I'm going to take my left hand and I'm going to have my middle three fingers, my long fingers on the three black keys. Let's hear what they sound like. And then my right hand, going to take my two long fingers. These are going to be my notes. Starting with finger 2, just here. Not too fast for this one. Here is the beehive, where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Here come the bees now, out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember, we've got some shushes. We've got a tush, tush. Let's go from the beginning together again, starting here. Here and here is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Here come the bees now, out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the tune now with just the fingers and not the singing, but you can still be singing the song in your head. Here we go.